Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, good morning, everybody. How you doing? Monday morning. It is the 4th day of August. Time as I make this 3:45 a.m. It's really early. And good morning. You know, last week at this time on Monday morning, we were in a heat advisory and sweltering heat and incredible triple-digit heat indices. But today may be the coolest day since May 10th. We're expecting a high temperature only around 80 degrees, which is just absolutely amazing as far as a change. That's the good news. The other news is you probably heard about the incredible flooding here in Alabama that's making national news, especially in the eastern and northeastern counties of the state. Over the weekend, there was at least one death, and many roads are washed out, and a flash flood watch continues in effect for a lot of us today, especially from Montgomery County on eastward to the Georgia border and into Georgia, the western half of Georgia, also in that flash flood watch. Actually, they call it a flood watch now. They took out the word flash. They keep revising the advisories that the National Weather Service issues. All right, so more tropical downpours in our forecast today. How much rain did you get at your house? I had just south of an inch of rain here at this location, but some of you could have gotten a lot more than that. And several inches of rain fell over eastern and northeastern Alabama, causing all that flooding, which washed out so many roads. What a mess in Alabama over the weekend. All right, so the threat of more showers and storms continues in the forecast every day this week. We'll be in the 80s right on through Friday, probably through Saturday, and maybe the first 90-degree temperature again by around Sunday. How about that? In August, that's pretty amazing. Out in the tropics, the name Dexter was used last night. Around 11 o'clock, the National Hurricane Center named Dexter, 11 o'clock Eastern, and it is out way off the U.S. East Coast and moving away. So Dexter will have a relatively short life, and then it will become what we call a fish storm. Elsewhere, there is a new area to watch off the southeastern U.S. coastline, and another one with a 50-50 chance of development out in what's called the MDR, the main development region in the tropical Atlantic. So the tropics are starting to come alive as you expect they would in the month of August, and the next available name, by the way, is Aaron. So you're up to date. Temperatures are reasonable, and we deserve that. And the rain chances are high, elevated, and otherwise no big day-to-day change right on through the end of the week. This morning, everything is normal, including live on the radio, 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 WACV. There'll be another forecast discussion, the video, and also the blog update with all the graphics in the 4 o'clock hour tomorrow morning, and your forecast whatever you wanted across the dial every day of the year on the Blue Water family of stations. Have a great day today, and I'll see you later. Our weather app will keep you on top of the action as far as the tropical downpours. If you don't have it on your phone or tablet already, go to the App Store and search Rich Thomas Weather. See you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.